Hi, this is Eileen Maza with RCN Capital. If you have a deal that you'd like us to review or submit an application, I just wanted to go over the process. You can call to speak with one of our loan officers to go over the details of your loan request. If you haven't already been assigned a loan officer, you can call our main number to speak with the loan officer on call. If you have a time-sensitive deal, please let us know from the get-go so we can notify our processing department and make it a priority. Your client can complete our online loan application and borrower authorization form, which allows us to pull a credit report. Yes, we're an asset-based lender, but we also need to verify that your client is paying their bills on time, because that's an indication if they have the ability to pay on the additional loan they're looking to add to their monthly expenses. Once the loan officer reviews the loan and decides it's a good match, inclusive of the asset, credit, and borrower funds, they will receive a letter of interest. We will provide additional forms along the way, such as an appraisal authorization, 4506T requesting their W-2s, and a rehab list. Our goal is to close within 15 business days. It's an easy process, and we're here to help you along the way. Thanks, and we look forward to closing deals with you soon.